The United States has released a convicted Afghan drug lord imprisoned in the country in exchange for the release of a US Navy veteran by the Taliban. On Monday, US President Joe Biden welcomed the release of Mark Fredericks, who was abducted while working as a civil engineer in Afghanistan and was held since 2020. Biden acknowledged that the deal required difficult decisions, referring to the release of Bashir Nurzai, who is a Taliban ally and was serving a life sentence in a US prison on drug charges. The prisoner swap comes more than a year after the Taliban took over the Afghan capital amid the withdrawal of US troops in August of last year. Washington has not recognized the Taliban government, but on Monday, officials in both the countries said that the prisoner exchange was the result of long negotiations, suggesting that the communication channels between the Biden administration and the Taliban are open. Bashir Nurzai, also known as Haji Bashir, is a tribal leader in Afghanistan's southern Kandahar province. According to the US government, he owned poppy fields and laboratories for the production of heroin and oversaw a global drug operation. US officials have described him as the Pablo Escobar of heroin trafficking in Asia. US prosecutors said that he financially supported the Taliban in exchange for allowing his drug business to continue. He was arrested in 2005 in the US. In 2008, Nurzai was convicted of drug-related conspiracy charges. A year later, he was sentenced to life in prison. Mark Fredericks is a 60-year-old Navy veteran and civil engineer who worked as a civil contractor in Afghanistan until he was abducted in Khost province, southeast of Kabul in early 2020. According to unidentified US officials, he was abducted by the Taliban-aligned Haqqani network. Reports said that in 2020, US forces conducted a failed rescue operation to free Fredericks that year. In a video filmed late last year and made public in April, Fredericks pleaded for his release, saying that he wanted to be reunited with his family. Fredericks' family called on the Biden administration earlier this year to free Nurzai, who is a known key demand of the Taliban to secure the US Navy veteran's release.